What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry if I sound kind of sick. I have a sinus infection, but nevertheless, we are out here on the water. Every time there's a fly in my intros, I swear it's like early in the morning and this fly is already bothering me. Either way, we're out here on the lake. Fish are busting, like literally as I'm speaking, fish are busting right in front of me. So I'm gonna get out on the water, top water fish, see if I can make it happen. I'm pretty excited. It's early in the morning, it's like 7:30. So the main goal for today's video is to get some amazing top water blow up. So we'll see if we can make that happen. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, so it's honestly really windy, like out on the main lake. So I'm just gonna fish this edge for now and see if I catch fish. If I catch a lot of fish on this edge this morning, then I'll just call it a day. I'm kind of sick anyway, I don't feel too great. I'm just gonna fish top water for now right here in this area, kind of see if these fish are active. But yeah, all the other coves, it's like really windy and I think it's just gonna get nastier. It's early in the morning. Usually early in the morning is when it's calm. So the fact that it's windy right now, I think it's gonna get nasty later. So I'm gonna try my best either way to catch a fish on top water. That's the main goal for today. I'm gonna try and catch at least 3 fish. This area is relatively good for top water. This is actually where I almost caught my PB. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can make it happen. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh. There's like a school right here. Come on. Come on. School white bass maybe? Oh my gosh. They just started busting. That was insane. There's just the surface right here. Right there too. Oh, come on. Come on. Take it. He busted twice on it. Are you kidding me? They might be little fish or like white bass or something. All right, so I switched up baits. If they don't eat this, then I'm going home because this is what they're eating. They're literally feeding on shad right now, like going ham on them. They're going nuts on shad. I was about to say ham. On shad. What in the world? How is this bait not just crushing it? And it's about to get windy. It's about to get ugly out here. Oh my gosh, right in front of me. What is it? I'm telling y'all, it's white bass. It is freaking white bass. I knew it. I freaking knew it. That's what is busting. Hey, I knew it. That was an insane blow up. I'm sorry for the voice crack right there, but that was insane. I knew it was white bass. I'm like, why am I not getting these fish to commit? Little white bass. That was pretty cool though. Right in front of me, just annihilated my bait. That is cool. Just a little guy. I'm gonna go and release him. Back in the water he goes. Wow, that was pretty funny. I knew it was like, it had to be like white bass or something like that because I was not getting any bites. And if it was like bass and they were busting that much, I mean, I would have at least caught one. Maybe with a crankbait, like a little crankbait, I would just slay these guys. All right, so I'm gonna switch up tactics. I know I'm using a bait that looks exactly like shad and it kind of sounds dumb to switch up, but these fish are small and the smallest bait I have is this little crankbait, and I think this will entice them to eat my bait. Even though it's not shad color, I still think these fish are like just insane right now and they're just on a feeding frenzy. And I just ran into a school, so I gotta take this opportunity to try and catch these fish as best as possible. Dang it. Oh, I had one. Do I still have them? I have them. Yep, white bass. I knew this bait was gonna work. I knew it. Let's freaking go. This guy literally got hooked with all 3 hooks. Oh, buddy. That doesn't make the situation any better. All right, folks, second white bass of the day. I really tore up his lip. I kind of feel bad, but he got all 3 hooks in his mouth. I'm gonna go ahead and release him. Back in the water he goes. Fish are still active right now. I did not think I was gonna catch another white bass, to be honest, because they stopped busting, but they started busting again. So apparently they're still active. So I kind of am keyed in on a school of white bass. They're just littered all over this place. So I'm gonna keep fishing for white bass. If I don't catch a white bass, I'm gonna try my best to catch a bass. I at least want to catch 3 fish in this video, but it's pretty cool that I ran into a school. Oh, come on. Oh, I just got murked. Got one. That's a nice one. First, that is a giant. Oh my gosh. That is a stud. That is a freaking giant. Damn it. Oh my gosh, I just lost him, didn't I? I just lost him, didn't I? No. Rookie mistake. I had too much slack in my life. I'm just gonna lip him. I don't know what the heck I was doing. I'm still in morning mode. What the heck? I thought I lost him. I literally thought I lost him. I needed to reel up a little more to get on the net, but that's like a 4-pounder right there. I was stuck on this branch right here, this exact branch, and I was like, man, I'll just go over there and take it off. But I was like, nah, what if there's a fish there? Sure enough, I just kept swinging my rod and reel, and my bait landed in the water, and as soon as it landed in the water, I got murked. Look at that fish right there. That's like a 4-pounder. Let's freaking go. Wow, I did not expect that whatsoever. Hook came right out. Let's freaking go. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh this fish, see how much it weighs. Dang, that's pretty cool. I really thought this fish was like a 4-pounder. Drop a comment down below if you think it's a 4-pounder. 2 pounds, 12 ounces, I believe. I don't know, maybe my scale is reading wrong, but I legit thought this was like a 4-pounder. But no, it's a 2-pounder. It is pretty skinny though, post spawn, so not bad. Gonna take a quick pic of this guy and then release him. All right, I'm gonna release this fish. Thanks for the fight, bud. Back in the water he goes. I really thought that was a 4-pounder. I legit thought that was a 4-pounder, but it's not. It's a 2-pounder. I can already hear the comments. JJ, that was clearly a 2-pounder. All right, it deceived me. That fish looked pretty long and like it had potential for a 4-pounder, but that fish was kind of skinny post spawn. So pre-spawn, of course, that fish would be a 4-pounder all day long, but it wasn't. Still a quality fish though. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. We caught 3 fish in total, 2 white bass, 1 largemouth. I honestly thought that largie was a 4-pounder, but it was post spawn, so it was only 2 pounds 12 ounces. We still made it happen though. We ran into a school of white bass. It was honestly insane. Fish were busting left and right, including next to my kayak. It was crazy how fish were just busting everywhere, but we only managed to catch 2, which I'm honestly surprised that I only caught 2. I really thought I was going to catch more, but we still made it happen. It's getting windy out here, so I'm going to head off the water, load up my kayak. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. Drop a comment down below for any future video ideas. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.